Hey, I'm Randy with Tektronix. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your instrument cluster from your 03 to 07 classic GM full-size pickup and SUVs. We're going to start with turning the key on, set your e-brake. This model has a common problem with e-brake not working, so make sure it works before you release your brake. We're going to put your shifter down into first, tilt your wheel all the way down, and we're going to start in the top left corner and just simply pull. If you happen to have a Denali or Escalade, be extra careful. They're known to crack. Just typical models do not crack. So we're just going to slowly slide it out. It's that easy. Next, we're going to get a 7mm nut driver. There is one nut on each corner, so there's 4 in total. Mine happens to be flexible. You don't have to have one like that. It helps a little bit. And we're just going to twist them out of there. Make sure not to drop the nut down into the dash. Otherwise, you might find yourself with a new rattle later on. I'm going to tilt the wheel back up to get the bottom screw. And last step, put your wheel all the way down. Pull the bottom of the cluster out first. There is a pigtail on the back with a gray and blue tab. You're gonna squeeze them together and just wiggle it out. Now we've got it out, it's ready to ship to us. Obviously, make sure to remember to put your car back in gear. For more information, you can check out the rest of our page for phone numbers and email addresses and our mailing address. We look forward to serving you guys.